In this video, we are going to see how we can create multiple line charts to see the analysis of each region with different parameters like beverage items for the complete year. So if you want to see the comparison in the line chart format for every product within every region for a whole complete year, month by month, here's how you can do it. First of all, we want to switch to an extensive data, and for that, let's start from scratch. And this time we will connect it to an Excel file of data 3. And let's switch to sheet number 1. So what we need to do is we gonna need at least 3 dimensions to put in so that we can see an extensive detail of the line charts for each individual parameter. So first of all, let's add the date to the columns and let's switch it to months, and let's put the sales to the rows, and you will get a simple line chart that we can extend to the entire view. Now what we need to do is we want to break that into different regions or into different beverages. So whatever is the new parameter, you can just add it to it, and you will see it is divided into beverage wise sales now. Now if we want to show the region wise sales for these products, let's put the regions in the columns so that it can divide it region wise. But by default, Tableau will change it into bar charts. Let's switch it again to line charts, and this will show it like this. But this time you can see it is scattered and it doesn't look perfect. Why? Because it is set to discrete. So let's change the month or date comparison to continuous. You can see that it is automatically set to discrete. You need to set it to continuous in order to see the proper results. And finally, let's put the region and put it in different colors. Just hold the control key and then hold the regions and put it in colors. This will turn every region into a different colors. So this gives a vibrant look. Lastly, if you want to get rid of this annoying grid lines, because we have a lot of data, we don't want grid lines to appear here. So if you want to remove the grid lines, just right click here anywhere, click on the format. And from here on the top, we have this grid lines option. Just click on that and let's set the grid lines to none. Even if it shows that it is already set to none, you have to click on none once, and now it shows a cleaner version of it. Now let's say that for some lines it looks very flat or with a very minimum data. If you want to see a variation to it, what you can do is just try playing with the sales amount in the sum. Just go to the quick table calculation and let's set it to percentile. You will see something like this. It automatically expands the selection, or what you can do is just don't change anything from here. Instead, just go to the measure and select the percentile to 95%. What this will do is this will show the growth or the movement up till the 95% of the occupied space. So let's switch to 95% and you will see much more variations to it. What I'll do is I will attach this completed file with the resources section of this video, so you can just check that as well. But this is how you can show multiple small line charts on a single axis. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.